Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Anyone Can Code. Today we are going to perform a addition of fraction numbers. So first we need to decide the logic of this program, how to perform this logic. So generally what we are doing, we are just performing this function like we are first cross multiplying these terms, right? First we are cross multiplying both these terms, and then we are just taking LCM of all these terms, right? We are taking LCM. So what we can see in our denominator and numerator side is A cross D plus C cross B, right? We can see these kind of things. And then in the LCM part, what we can see, B cross D, correct? So here we can see B cross D, sorry, B multiplied by D, right? And then first I will enter the values of A, B, C, D and print in this format, right? So first I will make the user enter those values. So first I need to declare, first I am using my main function, and then I need to declare, and you can use any kind of variable name, as variable name is not going to show on the output side. So I am using four variable name as A, B, C and D, right? And then I am printing that enter value of A, right? And then I need to scan that value also. So I am scanning those value, right? I'm scanning those value. So for all these three variables, this line will be same, only the variable name will change. So I'm just going to copy this. See, in C you just need to know about the logic. If you just get the logic, you can code easily. If you don't get the logic, then you can't be able to understand anything in the program. So the most important thing is don't copy anything, just first understand the code, and if you just understand it now, you can program any kind of program easily. Now I need to perform this logic, right? So I can't directly do these things. So what I am doing, I am first assigning this portion as a sum, right? So I'm assigning this portion as a sum, and then I am assigning this this portion as sum 1, right? So what can I do? I can write sum has assigned a value of what? Sum has assigned a value of A cross D plus C cross B. So it's A cross D plus C cross D, that means multiplication. And what is the value of sum, what we are assigning in sum 1? B cross D, the LCM. So it's B cross D. Now we need to declare those variables also as sum and sum1, right? So this logic is performed, right? So let's print the output. So what will be our output? Percentage D by percentage D plus percentage D by percentage D. That means what is equals to again percentage D by percentage D, right? So what is that? So it's A, so this is first value is A by B, that means here I have to write B, then plus C, right? C, then what I have to write? D, right? Then D, and then what? This is what the answer. So what we have got, like A by B plus C by D, and then sum by someone, right? So it's sum. After that what? Here in percentage D, someone. So it's someone, right? So let's see what will be our output. First I am entering A as 4, B as 5, C as 6, 5 is, enter D as 5. So this answer is correct. 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5 is 4 5s are 20, 6 5s are 30, it's 50, and 5 5s are 25, right? Now another thing is that if I have just entered A as 2, B as 5, C as 2, B as 5, so what I have got here is 20 by 25. But if we perform, so if we perform it by this, so what we get, we can get, let's see, if we just write if here I have just written like what, it's 2 by 5 plus again this, plus again I am going to do 2 by 5, right? So if I will just perform this function, sorry, this kind of things, so what I will get, the both LCM are same, so I can add them directly. So what will be my answer? My answer will be 4 by 5, right? It will be 4 by 5, right? So but here what I am getting, I am getting another value as 20 by 25. So I need to design again one kind of logic. So what I will design, like if my value, like if my A by B is equals to C by D, or we can perform that if B is equals to D, then we will directly add those numbers, right? If B is equals to D, here what we can see, if B and D, right, if B and D both are equal, we are adding those number directly. So I need to use if else statement for that, right? So if what, if which numbers are equal, B and D. So if B is equals to D, then what do we need to perform? Then we need to assign some another variable also at sum3, right? We are assigning this as a sum3. I am assigning a new variable to the sum, right? So it's sum3. So what will be my sum3? It's A plus C, right? So here sum3 has assigned a value of A plus C, and what I need to print, again this statement, right? But here what will be the change? The one of the changes, ABCDs we are printing, but here we will print sum3, and here we will print one of the variable, like I can print B. So here is sum3, right? Here is sum3, so we have to print sum3 by B or D. Both values are same, so you can use any variable B or D. So but I am taking B. So here is B. Else what we need to print? sorry, we need curly braces. If that statement is not, if b is not equals to d, then what we need to print? We need this kind of output. Let's see what will be our output if we use 2 by 5. Okay, yeah, I have not declared here sum 3, right? So let's see. If I enter value of a as 2, b as 5, c as 2, d as 5, so my answer is 4 by 5. Let's check it for another variables also. If I assign as a 5 a, then 7, then again as 5, then as 7, then my output will be 10 by 7. This is correct. Now I will also, if b is not equals to d, we need to check that condition also. So take any kind of random value. So my answer is 20 by 10. This is also correct, right? So we have done our fraction. I will also upload a video on vending machine also. Just wait a little bit more for the vending machine. It's going to be a nice program. You just need to understand logic of that program also. If you are having any kind of doubt in this program, you can ask me. I will make you understand it easily. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add two numbers. In that case, I am going to show about my practical programs, like how I am performing my practicals. In that case, like practical on myself only, I am going to tell you how. Like suppose first, yeah. In that case, I am also going to upload my some videos of how of my projects also, like vending machine, student record system, all those kind of things. And I am working on some other projects also. I will upload all those videos later on in if I got time. And in that case, if you are also having any kind of queries, you can also personally mail me. And if you are having any kind of doubts in my tutorials, you can ask me clearly in any kind of language. I am going to able to understand. I am able to make you understand in Hindi, English. In these two language I am very comfortable, so in that case I am going to make you understand it easily. If you are having doubts, please comment it below. I will make you understand. Now in this program we are going to see that how to add two numbers. So first I am declaring one data type. Here I have wrote that this, what is this, I have just taught you before in the tutorial one what is include, stdio.h, all those kind of things. Those are libraries. And include is making that we have to include the standard input output header file, which is a library. Void main is a function that this is a main function. Now first I am declaring int data type, which is having a variable name. Like I am taking, if I want to calculate my salary, right? So if I am having my monthly salary, okay. So what will be my monthly salary? Just consider that my monthly salary is around, I am assigning my monthly salary as 50,000, right? Is it correct? No, it's more. Yeah, it's 50,000. And I am assigning my year salary as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say because of my nice work. This boss is giving me bonus. I'm just joking, not take it seriously. And right now, if I want to calculate the addition of these two, my monthly salary and year salary, how I'm going to perform my function, how I'm going to perform this. So my total salary, I will declare one more variable, total salary. Okay, so whatever kind of variable you are going to use now, as you are writing it below, just write it also above also, so that you can't miss out anything, because it will show error. So my total salary, I am assigning my total salary as my addition of monthly salary and plus year salary, right? And if I want to print my total salary, how I'm going to print it's percentage d. That means it shows that it tells the compiler that the value of the second argument, that is total salary, should be printed as a decimal integer. That means this total salary. So this percentage this tells the compiler that the value of the second argument, that is total salary, this one is the second argument to be printed as a decimal integer, right? Yeah. Now there are some kind of set of rules for declaring a variable, that is you can't use this like writing that the variable name must not start with a number. That's a wrong format. You can use number in between that in the ending also, but starting of a variable name with a number is a wrong format. You can't use that. A number cannot be a variable like this. You can't declare this as a variable. It's a wrong format. This is wrong. And the second thing I must tell you that, yeah, you can use underscore here. The variable name can also start with underscore. That's possible. You can't use any kind of special character also. And what else? Yeah, in between that also you can use underscore. And the one of the most important thing is, if there is a gap in between this, the total and space salary, this is also a wrong format of declaring a variable. We have to make it combine or use underscore if you want to declare it like that. It's depend upon you how would you like to declare. And now I am just running this code. I am just printing my salary, right? So, oh, what's the salary? What's the matter? Sorry, guys. Okay. Error expected before monthly salary. Okay. My termination was not there. That's why it's not taking it as a declaration. So, right, and the output is what? It's the correct output. You can see if you add these two numbers, it gives the same answer. So, this is what my total salary is. So here we have used a data type which is int. There are some another kind of data types also, like float, char, and you can use double, long double also. There are many kind of different kind of data types, like there are user defined data types and derived data types. We will discuss some see, the understanding of data type is one of the most important thing, is because it is going to be useful in our array concepts, structure concepts. So just refer that tutorial of my data types, which I'm going to upload it later on, and we will discuss about data types, keywords, constant, all those things in our later tutorials. But till now, just remember that what I have used here. Right now, just check it, and if you don't understand anything in this code, let me know and I will make you understand it clearly. So thank you. Let's meet again with my yeah. In next tutorial, we are going to uh, see what is hash defined directive and all other things, like how program is styled, and basic structure of C program, how execution of a C program is there. It's not like that we have just if in this atom we have to press F5 for the execution. So it's not like that we have just got our output and it's done. There is some kind of backend processes also. We need to understand all those processes, as we are going to be a programmer, a developer. That's why we need to understand it clearly. It's important for a developer to understand. Then we will then I will also teach about compiling, linking, what are those kind of processes, and how the execution of the program is done, how to create your own executable file also. All those things we will discuss it later on, but till now just remember all those things what I have told you. If you are having down, I am again telling you, please ask me, and please share my videos. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.